Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ayush. Today we are going to see a program to swap the values of two numbers. In this program, we are going to use a third variable for the swapping purpose. So let's see. First, we'll declare our variables. There are three variables required. First is num1. Num1 will store the value of first number. Num2 will store the value of second number, and temp. Temp is the variable which will store value for temporary period. Then we'll input the first number. After that we'll input the second number. The user should know that we are swapping these numbers, so that we'll print a message before swapping the values of two numbers. Here we will print the original values of those numbers. Then now let's move towards the main logic of swapping. See, first of all, I am transferring the value of temporary variable. First of all, I'm transferring the value of num1 to temp. Suppose our num1 is equals to 2 and our num2 is equals to 3. Now I'm assigning the value of temp is equals to 2, that is num1. Then we'll assign the value of num1 is equals to num2, and value of num1 is equals to 3. Suppose if we don't use this temporary variable, let's see, now num2 is equals to, then we would have used num2 is equals to num1 without the third variable, but the value of num1 is 3 as per our syntax. If we assign the value of num2 is equals to num1, it will print both the values as 3. For that purpose, we have used the temporary variable. Temporary variable will store the value of num1, which will later used by num2. Therefore, value of num2 is equals to 2. See, the original value of num1 is 2 and the swapped value of num1 is 3. Original value of num2 is 3 and swapped value of num2 is 2. So our swapping is completed. After that, we must print a message to the user that we have swapped those numbers, and after swapping their values are this and this, that is 2 and 3. Now let's compile our program. No errors. Now run the program. We'll enter the first number as 12, second number as 23. See, before swapping the value of num1 is 12 and value of num2 is 23. Now after swapping the value of num1 is 23 and value of num2 is 12. Now I have made some changes in our program. Now I will show you how to swap two numbers without using third variable. So let's see. I have already declared two variables, those are a and b, and I have initialized their value as a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. Now I'll print a message for user that before swapping the values of numbers are this and this, that is 10 and 20. Now check this out. This is the main logic of the program. See, first of all, assigning the value of a is equals to a plus b. What are the current values of a and b are 10 and 20. Then 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Now what's the value of a? The value of a is 30 for now. Then assigning the value of b is equals to a minus b. B is equals to a minus b. Now what is the value of a for now? That is 30. The value of a is 30, and what is the current value of b? That is 20. We'll minus 20 from this. We'll get the value of b as 10. Then what is the value of b? 10. At the last, again we'll assign the value of a is equals to a minus b. Now see, a is equals to a minus b. What is the current value of a? Current value of a is 30 minus, what is the current value of b? Current value of b is 10. Therefore 30 minus 10, the value of a is 20. Now you will see we have assigned value of a as 2. Two times we have assigned the value of a, but the compiler will consider the value which is last assigned. We have last assigned this value to the a, that is 20. Now you can see our values are swapped. The value of b is 10, that is value of a, and value of a is 20, that is the value of b. So let's compile our program and now run our program. So see, before swapping, the num1 is equals to 10 and num2 is equals to 20, but after swapping, the num2 gets 20 and num1 gets 10. This swapping is possible with any numbers. We can say 40 and 60. Now let's compile our program and again running it. We'll see the values are swapped successfully. So I hope you understood that logic of swapping with third variable and without third variable. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like and share my video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.